I'll guide you through how to lock and hide apps in iOS 18 without needing complicated settings or third-party tools. If you're looking to keep your personal information private, or you want to declutter your home screen and you want to lock and hide apps on your iPhone, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. To begin, locate the app you want to lock and hide on your home screen or in the app library. Long press on the app icon until a menu appears. From the menu, you will see two new options. To lock the app, require Face ID or Touch ID. Every time you or someone else tries to open it, biometric authentication or your passcode will be required. To hide the app from your home screen and the main view of the app library, tap Hide and require Face ID or Touch ID. This will move all the hidden apps to a special hidden folder located at the very bottom of your app library. To reveal and open this folder, you'll need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Note that when an app is locked or hidden, its content is also hidden from notifications and Spotlight search, providing an extra layer of privacy. To make a hidden app visible again, long press the app icon and select Add to Home Screen. This will place the app back in its original location and restore its notifications. By this, you have successfully locked and hidden apps in iOS 18. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more iPhone video tutorials. Thanks for watching.